Can you explain me, like, what when it comes to closing or when it comes to sales, what is that usual entrepreneurs like influencers, what is that they do, and why are they really failing to close more deals?
Yes, that one. Cold calling, for example.
um, this is like, maybe we can find it out. It's about, they do cold callings. They try to be salesy, pushy salesmen.
Yeah.
Then they don't qualify the prospects before they're taking them on the call, and they try to sell to prospects who are not qualified. And yeah, they don't understand the prospect. Instead of understanding the prospects, they will just try to sell the benefits and features of the product. And sales happens actually when you can transfer the feeling. So maybe you can put all of that, or yeah, it depends. Like, you can do some research. What are the hard ways that usually entrepreneurs do? They do face-to-face meeting for sure. They do cold callings. They try to sell it for everyone. That's also a big mistake that entrepreneurs will do, because they don't focus down on the niche and they don't focus on the audience. They'll try to sell it to everyone, and sales will never happen, or the closing will never happen. Maybe you can put some bullet points about the hard ways, and then you can say the easy way. The hard way is, how I would explain this. I would say the hard way is, what usually entrepreneurs, they'll try to do cold callings. They'll go with all the traditional media. They'll do the product sampling. They will start having that face-to-face meeting. They'll do outdoor ads, radio, newspaper. So all of this is like the really hard way. But in terms of results, I don't see, it's really hard. You can't measure your results. But even I was doing the same thing. I did not find any of the results. I was really frustrated with what I was doing. I failed in 3 to 4 businesses when I started, and then I got to know about the easy way. Want the easy way? This is the easy way, where I would explain the funnel. So in this case, want the easy way, you can actually, you can tell them how salespeople are different from closers. You can explain the hard way. They would hire the salespeople. They'll have to pay huge salary. And most of the salespeople, they try to push the product without understanding the need of the prospect, and they end up with a very closing, with a very small closing ratio. Whereas the easy way is to hire high-ticket closers who are professionally committed to get the result on the table, and moreover, they will work purely on the performance basis to actually triple your sales. You can actually use it. This is the easy way.